What's up, guys? It's your boy Epic Hood, and today I am doing a video with Epic Hood Mom. Right there's Epic Hood Mom. And we're gonna do a science experiment with a tornado. Oh, we're gonna make a tornado. We're gonna make a tornado. So first step one. You can't see the drip that I just made. First, step one, put water in a jar, 10 inches long. Now, we have to put some glitter to represent cars and humans. Right?
Yes.
Epic Hood Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh, now? Oh God, that's too much glitter. Okay. Yeah, my mom is helping me. Epic Mom.
You need to tie this so you don't make a mess.
I know.
Tell your viewers.
Now, viewers, if you don't subscribe, you're gonna turn into mashed potato soup. Mashed potato soup. That's disgusting. You don't want to become that. So hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit that like, share, everything on the whole entire page, and tell me what science experiment I should do next. So now we gotta shake this. Store radio. You can tell because it's actually turning blue. See, it's turning blue. But that's actually the glitter. See, you can actually see the tornado for a little bit. Now we're gonna shake it some more, so it doesn't come out. So the tornado doesn't come out. We have to close it, right, Epic Mom?
Yes, sir.
I'm not on TikTok yet. Sorry, TikTokers. I want to be on TikTok so bad. Okay, now you can see a little bit. Okay, I gotta shake it for you guys so you can see. The tornado is actually turning. So you can see the tornado for a little bit. Epic Hood Mom, shake it. Thank you. And see, the thing that's swirling around, that's a tornado. So you can do this at home, kids. Do this at home, try this at home, and just subscribe to my channel. And